Paano man yung ano nito kay Alvin? Hindi straight eh.
Open 1-1. Patapik. Okay. Out of bounds. Maroon ball. May onting hindi pagkakaintindihan po sa maroon side, guys. Okay na yan. Inbound for RJ. (2-0) po ang score in favor of Team Black. Daniel pass to Drew. RJ, thinking 3. Pumukol, wala. Rebound ni Zach Bernardo. Agaw po ni Jerry. Nabawi ni Zach. Seth, tinatawid ng bola. 1-1. Kumayap. Tinapik. Labas. Same ball.
Yan.
May init po yung mga players natin. Very aggressive. Inbound, liwanag. Kumagsigap, pinasa. Good pass. Jerry nagtatawid ng bola. Binabantayan. Okay, ang bilis po. Bilis. Crossover. Offensive foul for Jerry Espadero. Pangilang foul, first foul. First personal foul, Espadero, first team foul for Team Black. Liwanag, sinalaksak, pinasa, nagaw. Russell Santos, sinasalaksak po yung bola. Okay, easy lang daw, pinasa kay Doron, mainit ang bata. Sablay, rebound ni Zach. Zach, tinatawid ang bola, nabawi ni Mon. Mon, pinasa, inagaw. Pangalawang steal na po yan ni Santos. Okay, and one for Russell Santos. Sinong foul? Foul si Seth Canlas. Bonus shot for Russell Santos. First foul for Canlas. First team foul for Team Maroon. Shout out sa mga poging-poging mga kalaro natin sa G2. Kurt Acasio, Aljon De La Cruz. Oy, dito Renz Macapia, ito pinaka-pogi, naka-pink na hat. Bonus shot, no good. Rebound ni Liwanag. Ops, kumamasa pa. Save. Mukha ni Zach. Zach, fake. Wala yung bola. Bola black team cover attack na Liwanag. Open shot, good shot. Tutuloy ko na yung shoutout ko, yung pinakagwapong player na dumating, naka-pick na hat. Christian Scaraman Sanaw, shoutout sa'yo, idol. Rebound ni Zach Bernardo. Gab, tinatawid po yung bola. Ayan na, pinasa kay Seth. Gab, Sumenyas, Zach, top of the key, umake, sinalaksak, umere. Good shot. 2 points. Team Maroon score is 6-4. 7 minutes, 20 seconds left in the ball game. Or in the ball game, in the first quarter, sorry. Evangelista thinking 3. Short, rebound ni Drew, nagulas. Maroon ball. Inbound ni Zach Bernardo. Liwanag, nagbababa ng bola. Okay, pinasa kay Seth na bagong gupit, pogi-pogi. Pinasa kay Zach. Okay, traveling without passport, Zach Bernardo. Turnover, Team Black, possession. In-inbound po ni Russell Santos, pinasa kay RJ. RJ, nagdadala ng bola, binabantayan ni Seth. Iniwan ng bantay. Tumila na naman ang Seth. 0 for 3 so far. Medyo malas po yung Black. Bola ni Zach. Dadala ng bola. Miss Green. Ops, pinasa kay Kapal. Nawala yung bola. Okay, black ball. Guys, reminder, running time po hanggang third quarter. RJ Durot, tinatawid ang bola. Pinasa kay Daniel. Ops! Pinasa ng hindi nakatingin. Dito hindi nila. Foul is called on Monmon Ancino. Ang ilan yung Mon? Pangalawa? First personal Ancino, second team foul. Shout out sa ating commentator na late sa trabaho for today. Josh Cervantes. Drew, taking three. No good. Rebound by Jerry A. Napakatakat ng rebound. Pinasa kay Russell. Russell faking. Pinalaksak. Pa. No good. Rebound na liwanag. Pakapos si Gabal. Pinasa kay Gabal. Gabal. 2 points. Score is 8-4 in favor of Team Maroon. Tinatawid ni Russell ang bola. Ops, pinasa kay Jerrien. Pinasa kay RJ, pang-apat na pukol. Wala pa din po. 0 for 4. Kuha ni Zach, din po ala, tinatawid. Ops. Ops. Drop pass kay Kampal. Black, pero tinawagan ng foul. Josh, ka naman? Substitution. Team Black.
Yan yung commentator. First personal foul, sino? Rios. First team foul. One first shot is good. Second shot for Monmon, no good. Rebound ni Zach. Lewanag may hawak, 15 to shoot. Lewanag may nasa kay Zach. Zach spinning, no foul spell. Kuha ni Gab. Gab, no good din. Rebound ni, nagkakagulo na. Sigat nakakuha. Gab, sa pakiset. Bernardo, tumira ng 3. Roger! Ay, Gab naka-rebound. Last 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Zach may hawak, 16 to shoot. Zach. Binigay kay nakagaling naman. Zach may hawak. Zach, 2 points. It is good. Score, 14 to 4. Lamang ng 10. Harina nakakuha. 18 to shoot. Harina going all the way. Pinasa kay Idulsa. Binigay kay Areglo. Galing din na play. Areglo, foul. Time out, rep. Oh, tumay mo sila. Time out, Black Team. Our score 14 to 4 in favor of Team Maroon. Pintal to Liwanag picked up by Harina. Good clearance by Harina. 16 on the shot clock. Liwanag sizing up his opponent. 12 to shoot. Binigay niya kay Zach. Zach wants the 1v1 against Vince. Vince with a good defense. Good defense by Vince. Narero ko naman eh. Palad by Zach. Mahapulin niya ba? Maraming haba yan. Zach Bernardo. Shot clock set at 19. Inbound, walang mag-i-inbound. Ayan na. Vince with the inbound, binigay na kay Harina. Pull up jumper, no good. Binigay na kay Zach. 20 on the shot clock. Last 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
Who's call rep? 27. Ano? Set?
Second personal foul, second team foul. Two minutes remaining in the first quarter. Zach, binigay na kay Gab. Yan, nagkakapapasahan. Nakita niya sino ba ito? Harina against Gab. Yes, good. Pass break point by Harina. Gab ngayon, binigay niya. Buti na nagawa, pero nakuha ni Zach. Zach, ang mamadali. Zach, ang makalis ko. Pinili na diyan ng good rebound ni Vince. Vince, binigay niya kay Harina. Harina, kay Idusa. Nice pass by Harina. 2 points by Idusa. Mawaba ang kalamangan ng Team Maru. Liwanag, nakalusot sa depensa. Picked up by 2 defenders from the team. Oh, what's the call? Subrep. Pasok, labas. Anong lalabas? Areglong yan, may hawak ng bola. Last 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Areglo, kaso hindi handa ang kakampi niya doon sa kasa na yun.
Saijed! Kulit mo, Saijed!
Our series score 1-0 in favor of Team Maru. They can close this game out or they can move on to game 3. 8 second by Andrew. 16 foul pala. Third personal foul, 13. First personal foul, 13 foul. Everyone ang may hawak. Binigay niya kay Gab. Gab picked up kay Areglo. Pick up. Foul si Areglo. Warning for penalty, second for out. Sino? Subrep. Areglo out. Francisco in. Gab na yun may hawak ng bola. Hindi kayo Liwanag against Canales. Good screen by Gab. Pick up by Chris. Good defense. Nakuha pa rin ni Gab. 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Idusa. Idusa nagano pa sa rin si Harina. Harina ngayon nagmamadali. Harina nakalusot kay Manman. Nope. Shot by Manman. Good defense by Manman. Waka pa kay Manman. Bernardo all the way. This is by Ancino. Manman. 2 points for Zach. Prince against number 22. Prince ang mapapasahan. Kaso, pinapahal siya. Walang tawag itong matawag. Goal sa call rep. Who's call rep? Subrep. 19. Call si Manman. Pakinig si Manman. Second personal foul. Third? Tama? Third team foul. Last 1 minute remaining in the first quarter. Our score 16-8. Cabanes to Idusa. Idusa to Santos. To a violation. Binig ka kay Jan. Gab, binigay kay Munmon. Good defense sa Fantasiko ni Munmon. Grabe, manorat na ako rin. Santos, binigay kay Juan. Last 40 seconds remaining. May Juan, pull-up jumper. 3 points. Santos ang katanggap. Santos ang mamadali ngayon. Who's called rep? Rep, who's called rep? 11. Warning for penalty, first personal foul. Last 25 seconds remaining. Santos ang kahawak. Santos. Floater, no good. Rebound ni Gab. Shot clock is off. Last 18 seconds. Gab nakahawak, na-recover. Love to shoot. Gab binigay kay Zach. Zach nagmamadali. Wow! Piniset pero pinasa. Oh! Traveling violation. Time remaining. Last 5 seconds. Number 34, pinasa kay Prince. 5 seconds remaining. Pinasa kay Cabanes. Cabanes, long jumper. No good. Pipa ni Dusa. Pinasa. When it goes. Counted. 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 Shot. Basket counts. Our score 19-10 in favor of Team Maroon. Sino Honda City na kulero?
Edward. Edward.
Dito na nga ako
Hindi ko na nakikita sa harap ako ngayon. Basta hindi ko lang. And ang hinahantay ko, Angelo Montales checking into the game. Manager, galingan mo daw. Liwa up. Offensive foul. Who's foul rep? 8. First personal foul, first team foul. No team foul, first personal foul na pala. No team foul, no team foul. Garon nakahawak. Sa kay Manmon. Garon, galing pa sa pinasa kay Prince. Takes the 3. Whoa! Good spin! Puro ba ni Chado yun? Hindi. Gab ni Hawk, nagmamadali. 3v3 situation. Gab! Oh! Nakagaw ni Doron. Doron, pinasa kay Espadero. Espadero, nagmamadali. Ayaw magmadaliin. Set lang daw. 17 to shoot. Espadero, pinasa kay Doron. Doron, jumper short. Rebound ni manager. Binigay na kay Gab. Gab, binigay kay Zach. Wait lang daw. Binigay ni Zach. Magaling din natin si Bonbon. Turnover. Paano ba rin? Wala pa rin. Wala ang inbound naging kay Espadero. Pick up by Manmon. Good defense by Manmon. Pick up by Liwanag. Kailangan niya may tawid ko. Kung hindi, may 8 seconds siya. Pero natawid niya. Espadero. Espadero jumper. Ay, niya. Pinasa kay Rios. Rios. Foul. Counted. No. Si Angelo pa ang sabi. First person. Sabrep. Sabrep.
Para makita yung style natin.
Yan. Ay, zoom in.
First person na foul. First team foul.
Paano ganyan?
Ayoko. Gaan ko. Hula. Ay, sino ka na si 19-10. Favor of Team Maroon. Kasi Jason ka nang bawal. Pag iba pwede, okay lang. Bernardo in Montevero. Liwanag picked up by Doron. Lamang ni Siyam ang Team Maroon. Liwanag nakalusot. Pinasa kay Gab. Gab, libre sa ilalim. Foul.
And one.
Rios. Counted yun? Counted. Okay, counted. Ano ng si Rios? Second person na first team foul. Bonus shot for Gab Binglasan.
It's my man!
No good. What's the foul? 1-1. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Sub-rep. Set in 1-1. First team foul. Sorry. First team foul. Lamang ng 11 ang team Maroon. Arreglo, pinasa kay Rios. Hindi. Ay! Alam ko, out ka. 14 to shoot. Hindi. Doron tumira. 2 points for Doron. Wala kita po.
Quality.
Zach, binigay kay Lewanag. 16 ang shot. Lewanag. Pinapas niya si Espadero. 12 to shoot. Good screen by manager. Lewanag for 3. It's short. Rebound ni Doron. Doron 3v2 si Junior. 4v2 si Junior. Doron. Jumper. Huli na! Zach, binigay kay Gab. Oh no! Okay, meron pa rin ang Gab. More assist, pero may rebound si Gab. Arreglo, humingi ng screen. 16 to shoot. Bigay na kay Rios. Rios to line ball. Sub rep. Okay. 23-12 po ang score. Namin pa rin ang team mo. Kailangan nila matawid to. O hindi, matatawagan sila ng 8 seconds. Lewanag may tawid naman. Lewanag binigay niya kay manager. Manager, fix! Fix! Dami po matay kay manager. Oy! Step 2! Hindi good! Pero, naribag! Hindi! Kapag yung Arreglo. Arreglo po kapag yung part. Arreglo po kapag manager. Arreglo. Arreglo binigay kay Harina. 2 points. Bernardo against Harina. Bernardo goes. Oy! Sabre! Score 23-14 in favor of Team Maroon. Nicosa with the inbound. Arreglo, long 3. It's good. 3 points. Arreglo leads Hernandez by 6. Lewanag. Good defense by Team Zach. Bernardo. Set up number 9. Dito. Pero libre si Set. 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 Rios. Basket time out, Rep. Time out. Time out. Time out, Maroon.
Hindi pwede basket timeout, dapat dead ball. Dead ball mo. Warning lang yun, warning lang yun.
Angelo, walang mga oy! Kakaling violation. Arreglo. Foul. Traveling pala. Traveling. Foul. Sub-rep. Angelo out. 1-1 in. Nice one, manager daw, sabi ni Chris Brown. May hawak ng ball. Humihingi ng screen. Ayaw yung bigyan ng screen. Binigay na kay Gab. Bigay sa corner 3! 2 points. Gabing lasa. Assist by Bernardo. Naman ng 10 ang team Maroon. Arreglo to Rios. Rios. Marcos goal. 2 points. No good. Rebounding. Wow. Harina. Muspal rep. Rep, foul. Muspal rep. 16. Tingnan si Harina. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Gab may hawak. Last 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Napit daw sabi ni Zach, ayaw. Ayaw makapit. 14 to shoot. Humingi ng screen kay Seth. Bigay na kay Gab. Gab, kabawi ba ng 3? Hindi. 10 to shoot. Nakakagawin na Areglo. Areglo, pwede ka on the net. Areglo against Zach. Good floater, no good. Rebound ni Harina. Harina fakes. Binigay niya sa corner. 3 points. Santos.
Oy, bakod! Bakod!
17 to shoot. Set bigay isa. 10 to shoot. Foul, Harina. Third personal foul. 13 foul. One may hawak. Ay, inbound. Binigay niya kay Liwanag. Last 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
Second quarter.
Second quarter. 14 to shoot. Zach binigay kay Gab. Back to Liwanag. 10 to shoot. Back to Bernardo. Bernardo! Yes, sir! 3 points. Bernardo. Assist by Liwanag. Lamang ng 10 ulit. Areglo, 2 points, no good. Nagkalituan sila doon. Santos may hawak. Santos, binigay niya kay Idosa. Idosa, 2 points. In and out. Kuha ni Harina. Harina, jumper, no good. Kuha ni. Sinong bola? Ayun ang bola. Same ball.
Technical!
Sa Brett. Players, back in po tayo, players. Same ball pa rin. Shot clock at 18. Diaz with the inbound, pinasin na kay Areglo. Oy, Santos sa kalusot, pero hindi tumira sa loob. 12 to shoot. Santos to Espadero. Espadero, libre sa win. Yes sir! 3 points, Espadero. Assist by Santos. Lewanas picked up by Espadero. Lewanas picked up by 2 defenders. Lewanas na bitawan na Steve Marias Cano. Idusan may hawak. Binigyan niya kay Areglo. Kailangan matawid to. Areglo din yan, nagpapadali. Areglo. Ay, pinasa kay Rios. Rios, no good. Rebound ni Espadero with a follow this good. He's cut down just by 5. Our score 32 to 27 in favor of Team Maroon. Lewanas. What's the ball? Blacky Bow. Okay na siya doon sa first personal foul, warning for penalty. Or Leo 1. First shot for Leo 1 is good. Second shot for Leo 1 is good. Ito sa bida inbound, binigay na kay Areglo. Lead shot to 7. Areglo. Nakita niya si Rios, kaso nakagaw ni Bernardo. Bernardo slowly out the pick. Bernardo against Espadero. Pinasa kay Gab, nabitawan ng bola. Gab, naghanap mapasahan. Nahanap niya si Seth. 10 to shoot. Bernardo yung nalit. Rebound ni Liwanag.
Dead ball.
Dead ball lang daw ang timeout, sabi ni Rep. Last 2 minutes remaining. Liwanag, 15 to shoot. Mamabigay ka. No good. Kasi mababa yung team na nagkata turnover. Timeout. Timeout, Rep. Timeout. Black. Santos may hawak. Last 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Liwanag, pinasa kay Areglo. 14 to shoot. Areglo to Espadero. Driving to the paint. Floater, nag-rebound ni Zach. Zach, out and pass to Gab. Mag-shoot na kaya. Oh, yes sir. Assist by Zach Bernardo. 2 points for Gab Ingles. Espadero may hawak. Binigay niya kay... Oy, hindi ko hawak. Kita ko rin yun. Same ball. Sabre.
Coach, nakapasayaw ka, coach.
Naandabas.
Parang confident ka na masyado ah. Magka-champion ah.
17 on the shot clock. Santos to Arreglo. Arreglo. No good. Rebound ni Rios. No good din. Rios pinasa ng Espadero. Pinasa niya kay Santos. Pero si Arreglo nakakuha. Arreglo tutok. 3-second violation.
Isang time out lang.
Last 1 minute in the second quarter. Ganun na rin. Day 1 nag-hawak. Last 1 minute in the first half. Oh, yun na lang. Ayun na. 16 to shoot. Day 1 nag-ginasa kay Bernardo. Bernardo 2 cups. Napapasa ng tatlo lang. Day 1 na. Tatlong alam nagpapasa.
8 to shoot.
8 to shoot. Bernardo grab it to the paint. No good. Sabre. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ng labas. Rios out. Castillo in. Last 40 seconds remaining in the first half. Arreglo to Espadero. Doesn't take it. Binigay kay Vince. Vince naghahanap. Pinasa kay Santos. Santos driving to the paint. Floater. Medyo malakas yun pero nakuha ni Dewan. Wow! Rep. Penalty tayo rep. Espadero. Pakita si Espadero. Second personal foul.
Wag.
We do not downgrade players. Liwanag, 2 shots. First shot daw ni Liwanag, it is good. Second shot for Liwanag. Sa ano, sabi ni Chris Aquino.
Isa ito. Vice ganda yun.
Hindi, daming alias niya natin po. Ayun, naririnig ko na. Aregon, 18 on the shot. Aregon,
Game clock.
Vince, corner 3. No good, rebound ni Liwanag, 10 to shoot. Liwanag ba naman na Liwanag, bitawan, kasama, recover ni Seth. 5 to shoot, Seth, binigay kay Gab, 3 to shoot. Binigay niya kay Seth for the return. No good, no good pa rin. And that's in favor of Team Manila. Who's ball rep? Zach Nats. 8-8. First personal foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Rios with the bonus shot. Grabe nga yun. Okay, grabe nga yun. Rios cuts down the lead.
Lakas mo, ya!
Just 2-8. Liwanag may hawak. 18 to shoot. Liwanag.
Dalawang papansin niya.
Liwanag pinigay kay Alcino. 12 to shoot. Alcino to Gab. Gab. Binigay ni Andres. 1-1. Hindi ka makagawan. 7 to shoot. 1-1. Binigay niya kay Liwanag. Liwanag jumper. 2 points. Liwanag. Assist by Monmon. Leads back just to 10. Arreglo picked up by Monmon. Arreglo, sizing up sa ball. Napitangan na mga bang recover sa ball. 14 to shoot. Arreglo. Pinigay sa corner save by recover ni Santos. 10 to shoot. Santos pinigay niya kay Arreglo. Arreglo. No good. Rebound ni Rios. No good. Luwa. Rebound ni Gasta. Zach against Arreglo. Bernardo. Pinigay niya kay Manmon. 2 points. Assist by Bernardo. 12. Ang Team Maroon. Arreglo picked up by Manmon again. Arreglo, nakalusot. Floater. No good. Rebound ni Maroon ball. Sabrep.
Ilan si Zach? Ilan pa ni Zach? Zach, dalawa?
Liwanag, playing point. Uy, binigay sa Espadero. Liwanag binigay niya. Oh! Passed it to the crowd. Santos may hawak. 18 to shoot. Santos, binigay kay Rios. Rios binigay kay Harina. Harina, kaso nakagaw ng kalaban. Kuha ni, wait lang, nakagulo. Wait lang, katalbo ko na. Boost. Same ball. Maroon ball? Maroon ball. Usap na pa. Nagbigay kay Gab. Gab, 18 on the shot clock. Gab, binigay kay Lewana. Lewana. Traveling violation. Tita Hani, order daw po ulit. Sabrep. Tatlo. Tita Hani. 2 CC, 1 beat steak. Gonzales. Ay, Harina, binigay kay Espadero.
Libre ka bilang sa
15 to shoot. Espadero binigay kay Rios. Rios, nakalusot kaso na pinawag. Kuha ni Seth. Zach, may hawak ulit ng ball. 18 to shoot. Binigay ni Liwanag kay Zach. Zach going to the paint. Yes, go! Lamang ng 14 ang Team Maroon. Espadero.
convert kayo, convert.
Espadero to the corner 3. Cabales is open. It's short. Bernardo turning around the Jets. Ooh. No. Rios foul set. Sabrep. Set. Second personal fouls. Second team foul. Last 7 minutes pa pala. Harina, binigay kay Rios. Rios, no good. Grabe.
What a pass! Foul, ref.
No, foul. Sabrep. Foul si Dulce. Second personal foul, first team foul. Gab may hawak. Gab. Going to the paint. Drop pass to Seth. Uy, nice paint. It's short. Kaso nakuha ni Doron. Doron to Arreglo. Kailangan nila matawid to. Doron may hawak. Doron going to the paint. Corner to Cabales. It's short. Rebound ni Rios. Rios to Harina. Harina. No good. Who's ball, ref? Sabrep.
Ano tawag?
Wala. Out of bounds.
Meow.
$44-30 ang score. Alam niyo na kung sino naman. Naagal ni Doron. Stolen by Doron. Last 6 minutes remaining. Doron to Cabales. Cabales sa kalusot. Assist by Doron. 2 points. Vince Cabales. Turnover.
What a...
Turnover. Yes. Score?
What tanga?
44-32 in favor of Team Maroon. Time on the game clock, 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Doron libre sa wing. Awa. 3 points for Doron. Assist by Arreglo. Lead is cut down just by 9. Lewanag picked up by Arreglo. 14 to shoot. Lewanag pinda sa damuhan. Black ball. Maroon ball now. Maroon ball daw, ref. Ano ba?
Maroon? Deflect yata, deflect.
Deflect. Defect. Palit bola. Ball po tayo. Nakatao-tao na ang Team Black. Nakalusot si Gab, nakuha ni Gab. Picked up by Vince. Good defense by Team Black. Loose ball ulit. Net ball. 44-35 ang score. In favor of Team Maroon pa rin. Arreglo may hawak. Arreglo binigay kay Vince. Vince to Harina. 12 to shoot. Rios, nice pass to Vince. 2 balls. Vince Cabanes. Assist by Rios. Vince got down just by 7. Bernardo picked up by Arreglo. Arreglo gives it out to Ancino. Who is Are? Ang pressure pa Team Maroon. Gabi hawak binigay na Lewanag. Lewanag gets short. Momentum na to ng Team Black. Harina may hawak. Binigay niya kay Arreglo. Arreglo, grabe to the paint. Pinasan niya kay Rios. Rios was the foul. Line ball. Time out.
Score.
Score 44-37. Lewanag may hawak. Lewanag to Manon. Nauntik na maabangan. Bernardo recovers the ball. 10 to shoot. Bernardo, step back 3. Nope. Stolen. Nope. Recovers the ball. 5 to shoot. Binigay niya kay Lewanag. Lewanag 3. In and out. Rebound. Again, go, go, go. Nice one, nice one. But traveling violation. Alam ko yung mas din eh. Last 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 44-37 pa rin ang score. Gab may hawak. Gab na papasahan. Nakita si Bernardo. Bernardo. Lumipad. Offensive foul. Bernardo. Third personal foul. 19 foul. Alright. Sabrip. Pasok po, pasok. Labas na ang labas.
Nice one, Calvo!
Doron to Espadero, back to Doron. Doron to Santos. Santos, libre sa 3. No good. Bernardo, bititawan ng bola. Bernardo going on. Stolen by Espadero, turning one of his grabbing to the Espadero. Who's on it? 21. Lewana. First personal foul, 30 foul. 2 shots for Espadero. Our next game, game 2 of the champion of the finals game of the Open Division. First shot for Espadero is good. Second shot for Espadero. 2 points for Espadero. Score 44-39. Buwan lang ang kailangan ng Team Maroon. Bernardo. Who's fouled it? Doron foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Grabe ang pressure sa Team Maroon. No good. Shot ni Bernardo. Second shot for Bernardo.
That's my man!
Bernardo seconds the foul. Sa prep! Sa prep! Vince, binigay kay Santos.
Dume-depensa rin naman eh.
Santos binigay kay Espadero. Espadero, grabe nakasot. Oh! Grabe! What a move!
Grabe kaya!
Last minute remaining in the third quarter. Leonard, double team, triple team. Leonard, no foul score. 200 teams. Cruz, grabe the whip, take the shoot, back, foul. Number 2. Boy, foul number 2. Foul, ay, siyempre.
Pasok!
Si Vince ka. First personal foul, 13 foul. Bernardo may hawak, picked up by Santos. Bernardo wants the ISO. ISO daw sabi ni Bernardo. Against Santos. Bernardo. Nakita si Lewanag. Lewanag. Nabout foul. And who's power up? Idulsa foul. Third personal fouls. Warning for penalty. Lewanag with the bonus shot. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Our score, 47-41. Make it 48-41. Arreglo to Espadero. 18 on the shot clock. Espadero. Oh! Turnover. Team block.
Munta nga.
Bernardo, last 1 minute in the third quarter. 14 on the shot clock. Bernardo, 10 to shoot. Stolen by Espadero. Espadero! No good, rebound Santos. 2 points for Santos. Leads back down just by 5. Bernardo gives it up to Cruz. Cruz to Lewanag. Lewanag, grabe na sa pagkakita. Takto, dumitikin siya. Foul! Espadero, penalty. Sa rep. Pangina si Espadero. Third personal foul. 40 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Penalty tayo, rep. Penalty tayo. Ang sinida. V1 kalbo daw, sabi ni Cedric. Lewana. No good. Ang first shot. Second shot. Second shot. Arreglo may hawak. Arreglo. Nakalusot. 15 to shoot. Arreglo to Rios. Stolen. Tumawag na Espadero. Espadero. Rios. Rios. Harina pala. Harina. Foul. Who's foul lip? 21.
Mainit to, mainit.
Warning for penalty.
Mainit na laban to.
Shot clock is off. 21 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Di ko nakita. Espadero 3. Foul. Penalty. Fourth personal foul. 1-1 ang Sino. Wait lang, time out Maroon. Ang nagkagulo. Wait lang, time out. Time out Maroon.
Sa'yo lahat?
Ati tayo.
Special shout out sa 6-man ng Team Red. Napaka-pogi mo, Mr. Mark Ramos. Kumusta? Wala daw muna magpapasa na kaya. Ito si Dominator.
Jayen Espadero, mayabang mo.
Saan, balik. Espadero can cut down the lead just by 1. Bating, tatampo ngayon. Hindi. Balik. Hindi. Wala daw, sabi ni Ate Pao, narinig ko na hanggang sa kabilang kanto.
Kondisyon!
Cut down just by 1.
Nice move!
Espadero steal. Below. 11 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Our score, 48-47.
Kondisyon! Espadero, kondisyon! Sancho tira.
Harina to Arreglo. Yeah! 3 points, Arreglo. 52 foul. Ano ba ang penalty? Para sa Espadero. Espadero. Espadero, warning for graduation. Penalty tayo. No good ang first shot ni Iwanag.
Wala na yan, wala na yan!
Malay mo. And that's the end of the third quarter.